Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my scalping scanner dashboard that going to give me such a great intraday trade opportunities that I'm going to discuss in this video. And again, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. So this is what a 5-minute scalping scanner. We find out lot of stocks, and today Nifty finally ending with negative, and today expiry move which is happening and end of the day it increased everything that's about the premium decay. So that is perfectly happened, and most of the options has became zero. And here on this video discussing about that high candles. So here let's look at this is the 5-minute chart of Maruti, where the first candle should be green, perfect, and the second candle should be green, and third one also be green. So once if the such a kind of pattern which forms, so we are expecting the third candle, instead of focusing the high of the third candle should be broke above that level, and the stop loss which we are keep below the first candle, sorry, below the that third one. So here what kind of risk we are taken here? So let's look at that. The risk for the trade is nothing about a very minimum, just about 20 points. So the importance of this candle, let's look at this. There is a reversal and as well as the continuation would be possible. So today overall market is negative, where we are focusing the buy opportunity on the stock is 8754, and the stop loss we are keeping around 8734. So near about 20-point risk on this trade, but if you can't able to take this trade because it is a quick scalping, but it went somewhere around 8,600, almost 8,785, where we have taken an entry is 754, and it went up to 785. So what you have taken the risk, that risk get covered on that particular candle itself, particular 5 minutes candle itself. But after that, what happened on that? Here it broken the low, and it slowly, gradually, it's going down towards your almost the low is made 8,592. From the low, it broken. So what was the logic at this point? After 3 consecutive candles, which show you the bullishness. Once that bullishness is going up, at this point there is a huge price rejection. This area is a price rejection. So once the price is rejected, and while we are going to focus the sell entry below that third candle, and even keep the same stop loss of third candle, not even the high of the day. So if you are doing, it may give you such a great opportunity. Just so here there is an opportunity and the reversal from your entry point. So the price range. So let me look at this from here. You got how much down? So almost 150 points. You got a profit from your sell entry point. So even your this is whatever sell entry point, almost 142 points going down from your entry in the 5 minutes. And let's look at the dashboard. So this is what the dashboard. Today even we see the Maruti, IPCA and Lal Path Lab. So only the Lal Path Lab can give you a good result on the trend side. So let me go for a Lal Path Lab. So this is what a Lal Path Lab, where we are focusing for a trade for a long side. So that entry point where we are going to take on that particular stock is the third candle, where we are going to make 2357 and 2343, just about near about 43, almost 17 points. The 17 point is what your risk on this trade, and once it is broken that level of 2358, so we are going to keep entry, and the stop loss we are making that 2343 below. Once after this entry got triggered, the stock moves towards 2400 nearby. So from almost 17 point risk, it moves near about 2399.8, almost 2400. So here from your entry 2355, so almost 57, almost 40 points moved. It's a 1:2 risk reward ratio. And after that, Maruti IPCA lab, this may be a reversed IPCA, that may be reversed. Let's look at this 1 2 3, and here in this candle it never give you the opportunity to take a trade in a buy side. Instead of that, it broken the sell side, it was giving you huge return. So the risk for the trade is somewhere around 908 rupees. From it is broken down, and it was such a huge, and it is in about 5 minutes chart. And let's look here on Zydas Life, India Mart are the stocks where it is forms, and India Mart on even a 15 minutes. So Zydas Life, let's look at this. These stocks are forming a bullishness in the earlier stage of the first opening, but it could not able to sustain over that price, and it broken down and it fall down towards big, and there is a entry point at this candle 421 423 with a minimum risk. But here today overall market is going negative, and let's look at this today, how many stocks in a 15 minutes down and 5 minutes everything. So most of the stocks are going down. Here you look at this India Cement, Hindu Hotel and Motherson Sumi on 15 minutes. Even if you are checking India Cements, Motherson Sumi, Hindu Hotel, everything is going down first 3 bar, and after it is breaking down around, breakdown around 240.7. in the next candle it moves, and it was a very flat after that. In the fourth candle there is a move on the fourth candle, after that very flat. So here this is you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 almost 20-25 stocks which is scanned by the scan 15 minutes. Here in the 30 minutes also a lot of stocks were scanned. But what I'm going to do here, I'm going to modify this scanner, which is going to give you some perfect result and perfect return on intraday basis. So that I'm not going to give you anyone. So I'm going to test it out. So let's look at this, the same scanner. I added some modification. In today's scenario, in 15 minutes only 3 stocks were finding. In 5 minutes there is no variance. No stocks will be filtered out. And in 5 minutes only the lal path. Let's look at the lal path on a 5-minute chart. Even very less number of stocks. Lal path lab on 5 minutes. That was worked well. So it gives you 1:2. And let's look at that. Here are more, many more stocks, almost 20 plus stocks. So not possible to do. And here on the same, we have only 3. In 15 minutes there is no stocks. 30 minutes buy, no. 15 minutes, 5 minutes down scalping, no. 15 minutes Tata Communication, Ambuja Cement, 𝐴𝐶C. Let's look at this dashboard, and here lot of stocks, India Cements, Hindu Hotel. Here look at this, in only Tata Communication, Ambuja and 𝐴𝐶C. Let's go for a Tata Communication. What happened on that? I'm focusing to finding a trending stocks to filter out some conditions. Tata Communications, just go for it on 15 minutes time frame. Let's look at this. 1 2 3 consecutive red, that is a green red candle, negative candle, consecutive 3 negative candle. Once it is formed, our entry is very minimum. It is about a 15 minutes time frame that I'm going to show you what was the risk for the trade. I'm going to take that risk just about 4 rupees. Here on the risk is just about 4 rupees. And let's look at that. From 1166 it fall down to near about the low of 1137, almost 66 37 30 points. The risk is 4 rupees, and the reward is you got is more than 30 points. After that there is a reversal at the bottom. So as per our candlesticks pattern, doji at bottom or spinning top at the bottom, such a kind of pattern something. But while we are making a 4 rupees risk for that particular candle, we have huge and continues the trend, and there is a after reversal also it is keep on going up, no problem. And the second one is about Ambuja Cement. Here is a lot of stocks, and this one will giving you perfect scanner. So Ambuja Cement, The second one is Ambuja Cement on a 15 minutes time frame. That is also works well today. And that point of 4 rupees, 499.5 and 494 rupees is the rest. After triggering your sell side entry, it down to 91.5, almost your 1:1. This trade 1:1, or it may be a stop loss. If you are not booking at 1:1, it may be a stop loss, no problem at all. But previous trade which gives you more than 4 times, right? If you are managing your risk, and it would be a great opportunity. And ACC is the third one. And look at this 1 to 3. The risk for the trade is 75 to 91, almost 16 points. After breaks down below that candle, it fall down towards 42, from 75 to 42, near about 30 points, 30 plus points, and even end of the day nearby 48 only. So hope you are finding out such a great opportunity by using the scanner. And 30 minutes we have only 4. Tata Communication, ACC again. So let me go for a 30 minutes in ACC. 1 to 3, the third one, if the low is very big, once it is broken 5-7 and still it is trading on below 10 rupees, never trigger your stop loss. And Tata Communication, another one, on 30 minutes time frame, 1 2 3 consecutive trade, and there is a breakdown, the entry and exit. Let's look at 49 to 61, 12 rupees. Once it is broken 49, it fall down to 37, almost 1:1, triggered, and there is a reversal pattern which is forms at the day's flow, maybe the reversing. Okay, that was triggers your target. And ace cards, both ace cards, 1 2 3 on 30 minutes. Once it is broken, so it is a little bit high risky. You got 2018, almost 40 point is the risk. If you are going to take the trade from 2017, it fall down to almost more than 40 points, more than 60 points generative. The risk is big. And finally Hindu Hotel, it's all about in the scanner. Hindu Hotel 1 to 3. So once it is broken 319 and 323, 4 rupees, broken 319 and get down to 312, more nearby 319 to 312 is the lowest level, almost 7 points. What was the risk you are taken? Just about 4 points. It was generating more than 1:1. Simple, the same, both the scanners are same, but there is a modification and additional value on that, only finding a few stocks. But here you see SBIN, ACC, lot more stocks here. So the same which we have modified. So maybe getting I'm trying to give me or sending this alert to on my Telegram, may helping you to make your intraday trades. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions or a doubt, just comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. Thank you so much.